Hi team, this is a video demo for the Vim or Renovo Vita client. This is the alpha testing. I'm here on the capture page here, which is the 0N. So I'm going to check the mobile response about this, and I'm here on the website, so everything is good here. This is working. Okay, and let's try to the mobile device. So I'm here using an actual phone here. So this is what you can see on the mobile responsive. So if you play the video here, it will play. So this is good. So let's close that. On the cell phone also, this the video will play. Also, no problem with that. You can play that. So let's scroll down. So here is what I noticed. The text here, it should be at least a range or presentable, as you can see this. This part, this is on the website, this is on the mobile device. So let's scroll down the testimonial here. I don't know if this is good for the UI, the UX team. The margin here for the testimonial, this is not centered. So let's scroll down here. So the product is good, and this is the problem. Also, the text here is not presentable, like on the website here, as you can see here. So the text, so maybe a few edits so that they can fix this. Just like this, this is a very presentable display here. So this is on the mobile device, So as you can see, that's it. And as you notice, also there's a null here in the lower portion. So this is the mobile responsive for the capture page, the 0N. Okay, thank you.